Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 3, the 43mm edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button, the crown button. And once you wake up the screen, you can see the current watch face, or you should see the current watch face, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And if you want to enable Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap on this icon, scroll down and tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the Do Not Disturb mode icon appearing on the bottom of the watch face, and if you open the quick panel, the icon will be highlighted by the color. It will get like the blue background, basically. That means that the mode is enabled. And now the notifications on your watch will be muted, basically. And if you want to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. So we just tap on it again. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off. The icon will go back to the gray or white color. And if you go back to watch face, the icon from the bottom of the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also customize some behavior or settings for the Do Not Disturb mode. To do that, let's open the quick panel, press and hold on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. It will open the Do Not Disturb mode settings, and here you can tap on Customize, and right here you can enable and disable the options that allow the following notification on reminders to Do Not Disturb mode, in Do Not Disturb mode. So if the mode is enabled, the notification will go through the ones that you enable here. So calls from started contacts, and you can enable it or disable it. Then we have repeated calls, alarms and timers, and media sounds, and you can customize it to your liking. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.